SCY Refrigeration Equipment Company is committed to design, development, production and sales of different types of industrial chillers. Our products mainly include double head screw chiller, explosion-proof chiller, air-cooled chiller, scroll chiller, screw chiller, modular chiller, and energy recycling chiller. Our products have been widely used in beverage, chemical, construction, manufacturing, supermarket, food industry and other fields. With a highly experienced engineer team, we design and manufacture the first-class industrial chillers for all our clients.